If you guys are wanting to get the iconic shot of the blue domes, we're going to show you exactly how to get to this free spot to get your free picture with the blue top domes here in Santorini. Hey cruisers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to teach you how to get from here to your blue dome pictures. Our journey for our blue dome photos is going to start here. And while this is a blue dome, it is not going to be the blue dome in your photo. So this is Oyo Central Square, and I'm going to put up the name of this church here for you. You can Google map it to here. From here, you are actually going to turn around and face the other way. You're going to be facing the ocean here where you see people taking these scenic pictures, and this is going to be the start of our journey. We're going to turn right and we're going to head down this hallway until you see that church right there with the other blue dome. When we get to that church, I'll give you your next direction. When you leave the church in the central square of Oyo, you can see this crowd coming this way. The church should be at your back. You're going to turn right and walk down this alleyway until you get to this church. When you get to this church, you will make a left and head down this hallway until the dead end I'll show you now. Once you come down the church, you can see this little topper here at a dead end. As you come around the corner, there's a red door. You're going to want to hang a left until you get to this next point. You get here early, you won't have to wait in this line. They're going to be here a while, probably an hour. Is that this isn't like Instagram where you're going to be by yourself. You're going to be fighting a ton of people trying to get their pictures just like you are. You got to understand that. You're going to have to get here early. We get off the first tender on the cruise to make sure we could get here. We paid for a private service so that we could get here. You could take a tour like a lot of the people you see here behind me. However, it's going to be a battle to get the perfect shot. Let me flip this around so you guys can kind of see what I'm talking about here. There are a lot of people here to get these blue dome photos. Obviously, this is what everyone's after, and it is a prized picture, so just know, if you want to get your cherished picture, this is the reality of it. Thing that I believe is a bit taken for granted is the views off the other side. So everyone's looking at the blue domes, but you can turn around and look the other way and see this beautiful, sweeping, majestic view of the rest of Santorini. It's beautiful. Now, early in the morning when you're first getting off your cruise ship, that place is going to be packed. There's going to be a ton of people there, and the sun, like right now, is extremely bright, and it's going to make it hard to actually look in the camera without squinting. You may want to come a little bit later on in the day. Obviously not too late where the sun's going to be behind you or overexposing your photos, but just know that that is a point of contention. We had to take a few photos to try to get one that looked decent. Hopefully this video helped you guys figure out how to get from the central square in Oyo with this blue dome church to the blue dome overlook where you guys want to take your pictures. And if you're interested in booking a cruise here, remember, you can always scan this QR code right here to have Amy help you pick the perfect itinerary on the perfect ship for you. And as always, consider watching another one of our videos right here. It really helps our channel, and we'll see you guys on the next one.